Here's our third Ccent Q&A. It's written in Python. Source code is included in the comment section. It's pinned to the top. Good luck now. I'll hit the F5 key and start the program. The first question is goto privilege exec mode. Alright. In EN, hit enter. And as you can see, that's correct. Now, use telnet to contact 10.1.1.3. So I key in telnet 10.1.1.3. I hit enter. Correct. If you get a response that says closed by a foreign host, do what? You contact telnet, you telnet this other host, and you get the response closed by foreign host. Do what? Show run. Okay, that's correct. But what would you be looking for? Here's the hint, LV04. And the answer is line VTY04. And that's correct. After you key in line VTY04, then key in what? The answer would be login. After you key in, oh, was that right? I think it was. Yes, that's correct. After you key in login, you see what? A, all of this, or B, everything is fine, nothing to see here, move along. Sounds like South Park. Well, you would see A, and that's correct. Now there are 4 commands to set the line VTY password to VUEM. What are they? And here's a little bit of a hint. Those are the first letters of the 4 commands. Alright, well, the first one you would key in, just look at the prompt, has to be conft. And then line VTY04. And then login to see the status. And then key in password, V for VTY, and then I call this user exec mode, VUEM. That's a good password. Hit enter. And then you key in end, and, well, it's correct. Next question. Next, enable the secret password SPEM. Well, that would be enable secret and then SPEM, secret privileged exec mode. That's a good name for a password. Enter. Now, call a service that will encrypt all passwords. Well, that would be service password dash encryption. Enter. Now, return to user exec mode. Well, we did disable last time. You can also get back to user exec mode from the privileged exec mode by keying in exit. And that was correct. Next question is set the line console password to CUEM, console user exec mode. So, hint, CLLP, that's the first letters of the target commands to key in. So the first one you have to key in, you're at the privileged exec mode prompt, would have to be conft to configure the terminal. Then you're going to configure what? Line console 0. Then key in login to see the status. And then you would key in the actual password. Password CUEM. Hit enter. And that's it. And that's correct. Wow. Now the next command is super important. That's backing up your configuration. We're going to do that using the copy command. How do you do that? Again, copy running dash dash config space startup dash config, hit enter, and it'll say destination file name, and you'll hit enter, and then it'll say building configuration, okay, and this command is correct. Number 13, back up your configuration, but don't use the copy command this time. And that's easy enough, it's WR. And that was building configuration, okay, WR equals correct. So there you go, we got 13 out of 13, 100%. This is George Bull. I hope this was useful and practical. Please share and like. Bye-bye now.